Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Diwata, a 43-year-old Filipina, and my husband Pedro, a 53-year-old Puerto Rican American. We've been together for almost 7 years and we've been living here in Vegas for almost 4 years. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we share our everyday life here in US, our food trips, grocery shopping, date nights, yoo-hoo, travels, daily chores, and simple moment as Filipino-American couple. We simply want to share our daily lives with all of you guys and hopefully inspire through our journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bells. You'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Good morning, guys. It's 4th of July dito sa US. 4th of July is Independence Day. On July 4, 1776, ipinagtibay ang United States Declaration of Independence na nagdeklara ng kalayaan ng 13 kolonya or colony mula sa pamumuno ng Great Britain. So, karaniwang sineselebrate ng US or ng Americans ang 4th of July through fireworks display. Naglalagay sila ng American flag sa labas ng bahay nila or nagpaparade sila with American flags. Barbecue. It's Friday, walang pasok si Pedrito, my love. So, dahil nandito kami sa Las Vegas, panigurado, maraming fireworks later. So, for today's vlog, hindi ko alam kung anong ganap. So, for now, pupunta kami sa Seafood City para mag-shopping ng aking mga anek-anek, ang aking mga pagkain. And then, may katabi kasi yung Jollibee. Kakain kami sa Jollibee. So, nandito kami sa Siena Promenade. Dito sa area ng Seafood City, marami kayong makikita dito. May Trader's Joe's, At Home, Daiso, may Applebee dito, Starbucks. Actually, may Dunkin' Donut din yata.
I want to stay from the...
Saan? Apple?
One of these places, yeah, I want to stay.
Applebee's? You wanna eat now there? Let's go! I think kakain muna kami. We're gonna eat first, ano, love?
Yeah.
So, kakain muna kami dito sa Jollibee, guys. Yeah, may Jack in the Box. May Anya. Inside Seafood City, meron silang Red Ribbon. Oh, meron din pala ditong At Home Superstore. Pink in the Box. Parang gusto ko mag-donut, my love. California Beach Cuisine. Ayan. Kain kami ng Jollibee. Sa Pilipinas, ano guys, ano, parang normal lang ang Jollibee. Dito, mahal. Oh,
What do you want, love? You search.
sige. This is chicken. I think
You want burger?
burger steak, palabok.
Jolly spaghetti, drinks.
I like chicken with pears. Oh, yan, di ba? Oh, I like palabok. I would like to have palabok.
You want double rice?
No, this oh, palabok. Remember the palabok kasama?
I don't remember palabo.
Or this. Burger steak. Ito lang ako. Oh, I don't have ito. Palabok fiesta.
Yay, yay.
Sa Pilipinas, guys, alam ko marami ng kiosk. Napakadami ng kiosk. In order is two-piece chicken with palabok, fiesta, and drink with soda. Tapos yung nag-upgrade tayo ng adobo rice. Adobo rice is 4.49. Two-piece chicken joy is 15.49. Then yung kay Pedro naman is 4-piece chicken tenders combo with soda and small chicken joy gravy. Oh, your chicken tenders doesn't have fries.
It does.
It doesn't have.
Why? It's a fries.
No.
Then we have to add fries.
Sige. So, chicken tenders combo plus soda and small chicken joy gravy. So,
So
yung,
they came with fries.
yeah, I thought.
So we have to
And
buy fries.
even, yeah.
Right.
So, babalik siya ulit para kumuha ng fries niya. Then, yung subtotal nito is $34.47. Yung tax niya is $2.89. Guys, yung ano pala ni Pedro, yung combo, sabi, hindi kasi indicated dito, guys, na kasama yung french fries. Pero kasama pala yung french fries dun sa 4-piece chicken tenders combo niya. Ito yung food ni Pedro. Actually this supposed to be chicken tenders only.
Oh, it's more.
Pero marami siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ginawa nilang 6.
It's just a lot more in a way.
Tapos, may fries siya.
That's good
Then,
review for Jollibee. They're giving me
yeah.
good.
Actually, yung fries, dito nakalagay. Then, ito yung akin. 2-piece combo.
It's Jollibee Carinderia for us.
This is Jollibee Carinderia daw. So, ito yung, ang daming palabok, guys. Look at
We're
that,
doing the same thing like we occurred.
Ang daming palabok. Tapos, 2-piece chicken. What is this? This is legs and thigh. Tapos, yung palabok niya, ang dami. So, not bad. Not bad. Tapos, nag-upgrade tayo ng adobo
You
rice.
brought extra.
May soda kami, 2 soda yung in-order namin.
Jollibee Carinderia. Good.
Jollibee Carinderia.
Yum.
And Kuya Pedro is enjoying.
Yeah, Kuya Pedro. Ang coach bang
He's enjoying his
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Siya yung nag-request ito, guys.
I'm transforming into Filipino. Di ba?
Siguro maybe later na vlog, we're gonna eat in, steakhouse.
Yeah, if we can. If we can. If we can. Yeah, that'll be nice.
But for now,
It's a really nice place called Tender inside the Luxor Hotel. The steak there is so good.
paano ba tayo mamamayat niyan, guys? Kasi, guys, yung kanilang serving talaga dito is talagang malaki. Yan, oh. Hindi siya ordinaryong serving katulad sa atin, maliit lang. Dito, napakalaki ng serving nila. We have luglog, luglog, I think, is a thicker version of the noodles, rice noodles. Because this is palabok. It's like pancit. The size of the is pancit. Dahil punta kami sa Island Pacific, pero mas malapit to sa amin, guys. Tsaka gusto nga niya mag-Jollibee. Masarap lang. Taste it.
Right now.
Like it?
Yeah. It's good.
So good. Sarap talaga gravy nila dito, guys. The gravy is so good. Init pa. Sarap.
So, ketchup, water. Nothing.
Adobo rice. Mm. Rice.
Gawin din, ma'am.
I like this side this.
Hmm? Sweetie, love. The plan and the...
Dalawang turon po. Ano ba yun? Walang langka. Apo, ayaw niya na. Tapos po, dalawang Spanish bread. Apo. Ano bang, may special bang Spanish bread? No, yung regular lang po. Dalawa po. Tsaka po ito, isang peach mango, tsaka isang mango pastry. Apo.
Hmm? Yeah.
Uy, senyorita. Tsaka po senyorita. Yung regular lang, te. Sige po. Uy, I'll pay for that daw.
No.
No, I wanna pay.
Why?
645.
Why?
Because I wanna pay.
Why?
I wanna pay.
What's the difference?
Because. No, asawa naman.
Ayaw kanyang libre.
Ah. Nahiya kasi ako sa kanya pag puro ano ko.
Yeah.
Nahiya ako. Kasi hindi niya ako hinihingan sa bahay, lahat gastos niya eh.
Bait naman niya.
Oo.
Sa'yo tayo.
Yeah. Everything in our house,
Yeah.
all expensed by my husband. The expenses, everything. That's why if I can
Diba?
pay, I will pay.
Little more I know. Diba?
Thank you po, ate.
I don't know, love, because, well, I like bangus, but I'm gonna agree to do it outside. Fish. Huh? No, but get it seasoned.
I'm sorry.
Ow.
Me?
Get it seasoned. Electricity, it was you. But why you don't get it seasoned? They don't? What is that?
Smoked fish. You wanna try it? Yeah, so this. We go, 21.
Yeah, that's fine.
It looks like we're buying steak. Let's have the fillet, guys.
That's expensive.
Ito. Let's have yung magandang part.
Roasted.
Kinuha namin is Atlantic salmon fillet. Tapos, yung eto, pampano. Isi-season namin yan. Tapos, let's go, Saba. Let's see if they have steak here or T-bone or sirloin or whatever.
I don't think they have that here. They do?
No? I don't know. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung meron sila, guys. Oh, this is nilaga. Eh, ano?
Ow.
Oh, ito. Oh, what?
Shot. Get to the metal. Getting charges.
Oh, this one. I think ito. You like this?
Yeah, it's fine. That's
This
good.
is beef.
Yeah.
And this, beef top round steak. Oh, ito. Oh.
What's that?
Beef top round daw.
Yeah.
Ayan.
That's good.
Did you realize that this is so spicy, love? Kids now likes that.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get bangus. Marinated bangus. Here. Love. Marinated bangus. Kumukuha ako ng marinated bangus while si Pedro ay nandoon sa unseasoned. Unseasoned. Kailangan ko ng season. Unseasoned? Ba, puro unseasoned. Love, it's all unseasoned. Where's the marinated bangus na?
Oh, pomegranate.
We'll go get that. Two. Puro unseasoned to, love. Love, they don't have seasoned. Hindi na ako nagtitiwala sa mga frozen goods dito na karne. Sobrang sama ng lasa, guys. Huwag kayong bibili ng karne na not karne, yung mga frozen goods dito. Yung mga longganisa, yung mga lumpia, hindi masarap. So, naghahanap tayo ng mabibili. Gusto kong bumili ng hotdog dito. Yung juicy. Tender juicy hotdog. Tender juicy hotdog. Ito. Tender juicy hotdog. Tasty. Oh, wala silang tender juicy. They don't have tender juicy now. Kakainis. But I'll try this. I'll try this hot dog.
Have you juicy red hot dog?
Tender juicy, wala na sila. Ito na lang, I'll try this. Tapos, check ako kung meron ako makikita dito. Ay, wala.
What's that?
I don't know. You read. Fishball?
Giolua.
Giolua. Squid ball.
Yeah.
Nakakatakot. No, I don't know that eh. Oh, tofu. I need tofu. I need tofu in my life. Tofu. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ito, medium firm. Tuyo. I still have tuyo at home, asawa. Go get your banana. Go get your banana. Ayaw kong bumili. Wow, ang ganda ng nila, oh. Dito na ako kukuha ng, green onion. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Ganda. Ganda, guys, oh. Love, ang pinunta ko kasi talaga dito yung crab meat. Tsaka delata. Crab meat at saka, oh, labo. You like that juice, oh? Those juice, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Go get it. I'll get the crab meat. Kuha siya ng juice. Ako naman, crab meat. Yan. Oh, tsaka ano yung ano ko. Saan ba crab meat, crab meat, crab meat? Saan ang crab meat? Wala dito. Crab meat. Kaya nga. Sige na.
Oh, you already got it?
No, this is not crab meat. The artificial crab meat. That's paste, love.
Not paste. The other one's paste. This one.
all over there.
That's it. This one is two.
Kasi po, no, I think I know has it, the Walmart. Oh, look, this is the one that you like, oh.
No, yeah, wala mo.
Forget me. This, I like this.
Get it, love, get it. Yellow. Yellow.
And, ito.
Yellow.
So guys, tingnan nyo, meron dito, parang bago lang to. So meron silang slim chickens, bago lang to sa paningin namin. Ay Doctor Restaurant for Liz. Ano to, parang paupahan. This is a new establishment, love.
Yeah.
Lamay or Lamal, modern eatery, wine and cocktails.
Yes.
Naan and curry, Indian crab. This is Indian crab, love.
That is.
Scrambled breakfast or brunch or lunch.
The slim chickens, I think that's like a dietary healthy meal.
So, yeah, slim chickens. This is for nagda-diets.
Yeah.
Para sa amin to eh. Healthy.
Mataba?
For mataba. Like that.
Mataba? Gonna be slim chicken? Mataba?
Mataba. Tapos, ito ang areang to is, what's this? Plaza?
That's, I can't see, wait. I can't see the
Yeah, me too. I cannot see.
The light post is in the way.
Wow, this is a new place for us.
There's a place
Huh?
down there. Look, it's called Terribles. They offer terrible service. Terrible service over here.
They have terrible
Yeah.
terribles here. So they're offering terrible services.
You want to be mistreated and abused, you go to Terrible. To make sure they abuse you there.
They have, wait, magpa-car wash tayo, love.
Terrible car wash.
Terrible car wash. Oh, Gold Wish? Gold Wish. Gold Wit. Bank. Ticor title? Ticor? Ano ba ito mga... Marami kasi mga pronunciation, hindi ko naman alam, guys. Pagpasensya nyo na. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung anong plaza ba to. This plaza is Gardner Plaza. So, 2605. Ayan. Timbers, Mothership, Coffee Roasters, Paysign, Turbos, Car Wash. Oh, don't go there because their car wash is terrible. Oh, ito ay sa St. Rose Parkway, guys. Coronado Center Drive. Center. Are we near na? So, we're 15 minutes away from our home. So, dito tayo sa Redemption Fitness, St. Rose Road, at traffic because it's the 4th of July. You know, guys, the 4th of July is really big celebration for Americans. Their Independence Days from Great Britain.